3 win and 1 to go. Wow. Anyway guys, this is awesome. Seems like the rise of the micro here. You can see we're gonna be I'm going to be reviewing this drone, the Xiaomi. It seems like it's just been out. It says it's gonna be a Tello killer, but we're gonna go ahead and see, because it's gonna be awesome. You'd be surprised what this selfie machine can do with technology, what they have built in them. It's pretty amazing, especially with the bottom sensing technology that they put on there, and also the capability of the flight modes, and it's gonna be awesome. So I actually put all this little micro drone FPV to the field. If you guys did not tune in to my channel, go tune in and you can see the exhaust moment in these drones, if they can handle the real life outdoor environment. And now you guys gonna see here, I already pre-ordered this Xiaomi drone here. Most likely it shows the it's actually indoor and there's videos. I don't really see it outdoor yet. It has the bottom sensing technology built into it, and it says it's supposed to be a Tello killer, but we're gonna go ahead and check it out. I will put this Xiaomi drone to the exhaust moments. You're talking about environment that this drone ever seen it yet, so I can't wait to be checking this guy out and see what all the technology about. If Xiaomi can actually keep up with the DJI technology, it's gonna be awesome. But anyway, thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And this is awesome, man. This is gonna be the rise of the micro machines technology. So thank you.